What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the ILV token, the Illuvium token on Coinbase. So for the first step we need to have a Coinbase account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up through the link in the description, and if you sign up through that you will get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. Definitely check that out. And for the next step we need to log into our account, and then you will arrive at this home page. So for the next step we go to the search bar and we will type in ILV, and there it is. We select it and now you are at the token page, as you can see. And if you would like to buy this coin, you just select the buy option right on top here. You can also sell or convert, but for now we use the buy option, and we need to fill in the amount of euros or dollars we would like to use for this purchase. So let's say we would like to use 1000 euros for this purchase. We are going to purchase 1000 euros of this coin, and after that you will see the amount of coins you are receiving. So the next step is to select your payment method. You can click on it and select the preferred payment method. If it's not here, you can add a new payment method by clicking on this button and simply following the steps. For now I will leave it on this one. Go back, and now we review our order. Click on it, and as you can see we are paying a transaction fee on every order or every trade we make on Coinbase. And if you would like to save this amount of 38 euros, then you can simply use the Coinbase One subscription. You can try it out for free for 7 days, and basically what this does is that it saves you a lot of money on the trading fees. So you don't pay trading fees up to 10k of trades a month. So definitely check that out. The subscription is I think about 25 euros a month. So if you do 2 of these trades, you're already making big profits on the saving of trading fees. After that you have decided to buy this coin, just click on buy now and these coins will be automatically added to my assets on the left side. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!